Well, it's 4th of July, the pools are open, summer is definitely here, but with all the warm weather comes a bunch of beauty blunders to deal with. So, skin expert Lynda Moore and her beautiful modder. That's a model and a daughter. I love it. It's a modder.
I love it.
It's a new word. Your beautiful daughter and model, Maddie, is here because it is really extra hard trying to look cute in this kind of heat.
It is. And in fact, we just sweat more and we are a little bit stinkier in the summertime. So I have a few tips for everybody.
Okay. So the first thing you have is good skin is important because obviously this is like your outfit when you're working, the pool. Yes. We show more skin. So dealing with blemishes, not just on our face, is a problem.
Yes, well, acne on the back goes up in the summertime because we sweat more, we have more oil glands that are producing more oil in the summertime. So I love the Dermalogica foaming face wash. You could use that on the face and also on the back, on the whole body. So you can use that as a body wash as well. And same with the Comedis cleanser as well. They're both medicated washes for the face and the body as well.
And this is for guys and girls, obviously, because guys suffer from the same.
Yeah, I mean, it's wonderful on the neck when you have ingrown hairs and such to really deep cleanse the skin.
If you don't have someone to do that for you, can you put something on like a loofah and do it, like those little brushes or something?
You could use a loofah. I like more of a not abrasive loofah, so something that's just a little bit more gentle on the skin, definitely.
Get back
and then the Alba scrub. I also like a scrub, but that's great more on the arms where I see the keratosis pilaris to really exfoliate your skin. So
those little bumpies we get sometimes on our arms.
Yeah,
okay, tanning streaks, because there's so many different tanning lotions and potions out there. How do you make it look even and like you were just in the tropics?
Well, I love self-tanners, but they can be streaky. And Maddie does have some tanning lines from her job at the Encore Beach Club. She wears her bathing suit, and you can see that. So I love it's Sol de Janeiro, and you can find it at Sephora.
Okay.
And it's a bronze glow oil, so it's not going to stain your skin. It's not going to stain your bathing suit, or it won't stain also your clothes.
Like a cover up?
No,
okay.
because it does wash off, but it does give you a nice luminous look.
Ooh, that is pretty.
Isn't it pretty? And it's also very glowing. I put some on her legs as well this morning, but it gives your skin a nice glow, and it'll even out the tanning streaks and the tan lines as well.
Does that stay on like if you went swimming or if you're sweating, all that?
It stays on, but you do need to wash it off. I mean, it will wash off, I should say.
Okay, we got chapped heels and sweaty pits.
Okay,
not
so
cute.
Not cute, because we do produce more oil and more sweat in the summertime. So the Provision, where is it? Oh, here it is. The Provision deodorant, you could use that all over the body. You could use it on your feet. You could use it under your arms as well, and it's on the bottoms of your feet.
And then this is a little foot mask to help make sure your heel's less chapped, right?
This is a Japanese secret, actually. It's an exfoliant. You put it on your feet, and you will have baby's feet. I mean, it's so smooth and exfoliating. It's a Japanese secret, definitely.
Well, thanks for all your